Hey, it's Kate with WTI. This here is my Mandoline slicer by ilsli. This thing is professional. It is a heavy duty mandolin slicer. I'm gonna show you some things that I really love about it. So first of all, I appreciate that for storage, you are able to lay it flat. And then it has a little kickstand that comes out when you're ready to use it. So you're able to keep it nice and stable on your counter. It comes with food safe gloves to protect your hands. So this mandolin slicer, it goes without saying, but it is extremely sharp. So be so careful when you are using it. But it is amazing what this is able to do. You're really able to customize it. So if you want to get nice thin julienne slices, you just lift and lower that blade with the little knob that you push in. So that is a safety feature that you have to push it in to be able to turn it. And then it has two features for dicing. So you're able to get small dices, larger dices. And then if you want, you can adjust the blades to get a thicker slice and then a thinner slice. I used it to do really thin slices of onion, and then I diced some pepper, and then I sliced some zucchini for tacos that we were making. It also comes with a peeler, so you're able to very easily peel, whether I peeled my zucchini, or you can peel your potatoes if you want to make French fries, things like that. It also comes with the guide, so you're able to attach that onto whatever it is that you are slicing, and then you follow the arrows and you use that to slice. That's an added protection as well for your hands. So this is a powerful slicer tool. It doesn't take up too much room. You're able to store it when you're not using it. It's also dishwasher safe, and you are able to get really amazing slices for your next dish. So if you're looking for a great slicer, I do recommend this one by ilsli, but that's just my point of view.